Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Happy Learning. Today we are going to learn an amazing letter sound. Look carefully. This is the letter A. This is capital A and this is small a. Both are the letter E. The letter A makes a special sound. Listen carefully. A. 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 Apple. A. A. Apple. Ant. A. A. Ant. Axe. A. A. Axe. Arrow. A. A. Arrow. Alligator. A. A. Alligator. Astronaut. A. A. Astronaut. Now let us read them together one more time. A for apple. A for ant. A for axe. A for arrow. A for alligator. A for astronaut. We learned the letter A and many A sound words. Keep practicing and say the words again at home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye-bye.